want to know how to use a pMDI, Pressurized Metered-Dose Inhaler. Let's see how to use pMDI correctly. Just remember these 3 steps. Step 1, open and shake. Step 2, breathe out. Step 3, press and inhale. Let's understand parts of the inhaler. The pMDI has 4 main parts: a mouthpiece, mouthpiece cap, dose counter, and a canister. Now, if you're using the inhaler for the first time or haven't used it for more than a week, you need to prime your inhaler. But how do you prime the inhaler? Remove the cap from the mouthpiece, give the inhaler a good shake, then press the canister twice to release 2 puffs into the air. Voila! Your inhaler is ready to use. Let me demonstrate steps for using pMDI. Step 1, sit or stand upright. Open the mouthpiece cap and give the inhaler a good shake. Step 2, breathe out completely. Then put the mouthpiece in your mouth between your teeth. Close your lips tightly around it. Make sure you don't bite it. Step 3, start breathing slowly and deeply. While you're doing that, press the canister to release 1 spray of a medicine and continue to breathe slowly and deeply. Then take the mouthpiece out of your mouth and hold your breath just for 10 seconds or as long as you are comfortable. Then breathe out, close the mouthpiece cap. Important instructions. Always remember to rinse your mouth with water after inhalation and spit it out. Make sure you don't swallow it. Consult your doctor for frequency and use. Now you have learned how to use this pMDI correctly. Just remember 3 steps. Step 1, open and shake. Step 2, breathe out. Step 3, press and inhale. Here are some important things to remember while using pMDI. pMDI comes with a dose counter, which explains how many doses are remaining. It counts each dose, but it moves at an interval of 20 doses. When the last 40 doses are remaining, the color of the dose counter ring changes from green to red, indicating that only a few doses are remaining and you need to arrange for a new device. When the dose counter reads 0, it's time to discard the inhaler. To keep your inhaler clean, it's recommended to wipe the mouthpiece with a dry cloth or a tissue paper at least once a week. For more information on product, refer pack, insert or log on to breathefree.com. Or you can call on 9873335577.